This video probably, possibly, hopefully, and most likely make the end of 2020 better by Russell Designer. So today I'm going to talk about how to be confident, because confidence is the key of success. Without confidence, you will not achieve your goal. I see a lot of people have this kind of problem. They're not confident at all. So I'm going to show you some secrets, some facts that I'm using to destroy anxiety and gain confidence. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube everywhere, and I see that those advice doesn't really help you, right? So you know what, I'm here. I want to share you my experience about how to get confidence, so you are going to make it. So before I start video, make sure you subscribe and like to my YouTube channel, because there's a lot of things are going to come, and if you subscribe you won't miss anything. So better to stick around and let's see what's going on, because you always deserve it. Number 5. Discover new places. See the world. Right now the transportation has changed a lot. Before, it takes months to just go to point A to point B. Right now it takes just few hours to go to your favorite destination, and also it's really cheaper than in the past. It's more affordable than in the 90s. Remember that? So you can bring the world in a small place. It's amazing. You can experience the culture, so your mind is going to be open. You will meet a lot of people. That's the beauty of that thing. So you are not insecure anymore, because you discover new places and you're able to tell to your friends, your families, and other people about what you experience during your trip. If you don't have the money to travel, what I'm suggesting you is you can discover the whole city. You can discover your hometown, about what events they are planning. You can go there, meet a lot of people, you can learn about them, and trust me, it will bring confidence. Number 4. Wearing clothes that fits you all the time. You don't need to wear a suit all the time, but you need to wear clothes that fits you on the occasion. For example, in a friends meeting, so you need to wear a good clothes for this particular occasion, right? Wearing those clothes that fits you and that you love it will bring confidence. That's the key. Number 3. Martial arts. Because you learn about how to fight. That's why this aspect will give you confidence. There's a lot of martial arts, and trust me, you will learn a lot of things. Most likely about how to defense, because they teach you only for defense. They never teach you for attacking. So you will feel like Agent 007. It will bring confidence. So you will feel more like James Bond. And you know that James Bond, he's really charismatic and he got a lot of confidence. You can even watch those movies and you will love it. Number 2. Talking to strangers. I'm not telling you to talk to someone from the street, but you can. But that's not actually what I'm talking about. For example, you are in an event. You would like to talk to this person in particular. It doesn't matter who the person is. But you are anxious. You're stressful. Because you don't know the person's reaction. You don't know if the person is calling 911 because what are you going to ask. So you know what? Kick this anxiety. talk to the person with manners, and if the person do not want to talk to you, well, it's normal, it happens, it's life. Number 1, knowledge. To start a conversation, you will need knowledge. You can find anywhere, you can find in books, you can watch some videos, like you can watch my videos that I make, so you can start a conversation. I make so much videos just for you, just that you can have a lot of knowledge so you can start a conversation. It's dependent about also the event too. And also don't forget, you can also search on the web. It's really quick and it's really easy, and also it's free. And you can find more too. So all the thing that I'm talking about it's going to bring you as the ultimate confidence. That's the key of success. With confidence, you will be a billionaire one day. And trust me, you can make it. You are wonderful people, and I know that you are trying to reach your goal. This is what I love about you. So thank you so much. My name is Ross the Designer, and I wish you a very nice day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube videos, because there's a lot of things are going to come. And especially right now, I'm making more videos for you guys. And see you next time.